I am Veronica Roger, and welcome to my UX case study for the user flow redesign of Europe Car mobile app. I am focusing on improving the streamline of the rental car online booking experience by prioritizing and optimizing the search functionality. Europe Car is a French rental car company founded in 1949 in Paris. It's extremely popular around the world, offering a massive selection of vehicles for hire, from small cars, luxury cars, vans, trucks, providing solutions to meet every client's individual needs. I'm going to show you the current user flow. As a UX designer, my role is to translate the most important insights to my product design, having empathy with my users' needs and goals, but also taking into account my product goals. When doing a little bit of human-centered design thinking, I noticed a few pain points and limitations on the current user flow, therefore, an opportunity for improvement. My initial hunch was users might find it difficult finding the ideal car for their trip with the existing user flow of booking a rental car, particularly the limitation of search options on the homepage. Some of my goals was understand how the user's experience is when renting an online car by using UX research method, understand the problem and provide solutions considering the data I obtain from the search, and ultimately provide and enhance the efficiency of booking a rental car through the app. So, with the intention of redesigning a more efficient user flow for users, I follow the UX framework Double Diamond, starting with a problem and exploring some divergent and convergent thinking through the whole process, from the discovery stage through the defining and developing stage, and then deliver a specific solution. To break down my Double Diamond UX process, I wanted to do some research and try to understand the problem a little bit better. By the way, one of my favorite parts of the whole project. For my research, I did desk research, benchmarking, heuristic review, specifically number A, flexibility and efficiency of use. I'm leaving here the reference for my desk research, the 2 case studies that I found, where I obtained most of my data for this project, and the benchmarking landscape review, specifically Hertz was the competitor I studied. On the desk research, I found these 2 good online case studies about rental car apps done by experienced UX designers and professional researchers, so it was good data. Additionally, on the case studies, there was the drop-off rate on the home screen, so it allowed me to identify potential pain points and usability issues. Comparing Europe Car with competitors in the car rental industry, I gain an understanding of the industry standards and the best practices. Analyzing different approaches to the booking process and functionalities of the search customization, I got a few insights into areas where Europe Car app could improve. The data I obtained helped me highlight a few insights and validated my hunch. Users find it difficult finding their ideal car with the existing user flow, and a high number of users are dropping from the home screen search. So, I asked myself, how does a user can efficiently book a rental car on the app? And what is the hierarchy of jobs to do when booking a rental car? Always sticking to my Double Diamond process. Now, I needed to talk to real users, so I conducted user interviews. I created an interview guide and conducted the interview with 6 different users. I then collected and organized my clusters, all my data, and I used the affinity map method to uncover my insights, as you can see here on the screen. My major insights are: the user's functionality holds significant value for users as an exciting and important part of the car rental experience, being a critical priority that greatly influences their decision making and overall satisfaction. Other interesting insight I found with my interviews was customers experience frustration when their rental car is not prepared at the scheduled booking time, leading to significant delays, and the absence of a timeline notification intensifies the issue. And then I had some recommendations. How might we streamline a rental car online booking search experience? How might we address customer frustration caused by delays in car preparation? Now that I have converged to specific problems, it was time to ideate some potential solutions. I used the rapid crazy eight ideation technique. Now that I had a lot of ideas, it was time to prioritize what was more viable, feasible, and desirable. For that, I used my UCD framework. It's great for balancing user needs, business needs, and technical needs. I discovered that where users are going and what type of car they want was the most important and exciting part for them when renting a car. After my search and interviews, I discovered that search functionality holds significant value for users as an exciting and important part of the car rental experience. User often connects booking a rental car with holidays or adventures, so I wanted to translate that feeling into the search functionality as much as I could. I discovered that where the users are going and what type of car they want was the most important and exciting part of the rental car online. I did storyboards for real life and virtual step-by-step interaction for users when renting a car, and from here I moved to a paper prototype using all my data obtained. But I did two variations so I could do further testing and understand what version was more efficient. My main concern on my idea was how the users progress through the flow, were there any issues or preference. So my usability testing revealed that users did prefer to have location and car type on the homepage, as the users connected the renting car with holidays or adventure, therefore streamline and optimize search functionality, designing a more efficient experience. It was a great way to improve. But if there was too much information on the home screen, they will feel overwhelmed. So I did a few adjustments and I took a little bit of both of my variations to actually progress and do my mid-fidelity clickable prototype. But then I had time to do usability testing for my second insight to tackle the customer frustrations when their pickup time was delayed and they had to wait. So the first idea was tackling the booking flow and the search optimization, but I could not stop thinking about how customers experience frustration when their rented car is not prepared at the scheduled booking time. That was leading to significant delays, and the absence of a timeline notification was intensifying the issue. So I thought of a simple notification system to inform customers about any potential delays, providing alternative options, maybe compensatory gestures such as discounts or complimentary service to improve the waiting experience and enhance the overall satisfaction. My user flow options. So we can select our preferred car, saying pick up and drop off city. Let's say we got a car, where from, where to, continue. We don't want to use the map, we do, as some of the users really didn't want it. Pick up location, drop off location, continue, pick up dates and drop off dates. I reduce the space as it was a whole screen for time and I thought it was unnecessary, so I just put it on a little space there. You're almost done. Find vehicle, then we scroll and select our favorite car. We choose cover and log in. Just really quick here, because I'm running out of time, the notification system for the car delay, it will open the app after the text message. There will be a token for them to click on the button. It will be a few options here to upgrade. They will select their favorite. They will have the URL code. If I had more time, these will be the next steps I will take. Thank you so much.